Camaro interior detail caught in 4K. So we're going to start off by getting the loose change, loose items, and other stuff out of the vehicle. I already got some out. Then we're going to start vacuuming inside the door panels and the carpet under the seats and the seat creases and etc. I'll go through and vacuum a few times during the process. So you'll see that. Now I'm doing the seats and the back seats as well. I'll get under the seat and the full back seat and behind the seats. That's what I'm doing right now. Now I'm going to get beside the seats and the trim in the front seats. Make sure to go through and get where the seats have like folds and stuff. Now I'm getting the floorboard and in between the seats again. Now I'm getting under the seat, there's paper there. Now I'm getting in between the cup holders and getting that trash out, and then I'll vacuum it. And then what I'm going to do is drink a body armor. So yeah. Now I'm going to start wiping down the surfaces with Armor All. I'm going to apply it to the rag and not onto the surface so it doesn't leave spots. Make sure you get the steering wheel. I'm going to get the cup holders sprayed in there and let it sit and dry. Get all over the place. When doing the seats, you'll see in a minute that I go through and vacuum after I do the seats again, because the orange rags I'm using actually like leave little orange pieces, whereas I have another set of microfiber cloths that are gray that I usually use for our jobs, so I don't have to go back through and re-vacuum because those don't leave orange pieces. But for this, I use the orange ones because those are the ones that are clean. You'll see right here after I do the front and back seats, I'll go through and vacuum. So that's what I'm doing, just getting any orange pieces out. See a little bit of dirt that I tracked in as I was wiping down. And then we'll move to the floor mats after this. For the floor mats, a lot of times I'll use the drill brush and carpet cleaner, and then I'll wash them with the pressure washer. But since I was just doing the interior, I decided I would just use the vacuum instead of pressure washing them out. But I only do that if they're really dirty or for a deep clean. For this, I use my extract vac after I vacuum all the dirt off. So I vacuum, then have a drill brush where I use the drill at medium speed to really get the solution into the carpets and get up any dirt. And then I'll go through with an extract vac, which sprays water and sucks up the water. And I'll do that, which is what I'm doing right now. And then I'll go through without spraying water to let it dry a few times. And then I'll put it back in the car and it'll be done. This is the final product.